How does TikTok Shop sell so cheap? TikTok Shop sells products at low prices because it connects buyers directly with sellers, removing middlemen and reducing extra costs. Many sellers source their products from manufacturers or wholesalers, which allows them to offer competitive prices. TikTok's direct-to-consumer model cuts out traditional retail markups, enabling customers to get products at near wholesale rates while still maintaining seller profitability. Another reason TikTok Shop can sell so cheaply is its built-in promotional ecosystem. Sellers often use flash sales, limited time discounts, and influencer collaborations to boost visibility and sales volume. These marketing strategies drive massive engagement, allowing sellers to profit from higher sales quantities even when pricing products lower. TikTok also subsidizes some promotions to attract more buyers, further lowering costs for customers. Additionally, TikTok's algorithm plays a major role in boosting affordability. By showcasing trending products to highly targeted audiences, sellers achieve more conversions at lower advertising costs. This efficiency allows them to maintain lower prices while sustaining consistent profit margins. TikTok's vast scale and integrated marketing tools create a sustainable loop of visibility, engagement, and affordability. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok shop like a pro.